Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove the battery from your Buick LaCrosse. First, always prioritize safety. Make sure you are wearing appropriate safety glasses and gloves to protect your hands and eyes. Ensure your vehicle is completely turned off and the parking brake is firmly engaged. Have your tools ready, including a 10 mm wrench and a terminal brush. Now, let's locate the battery. In your Buick LaCrosse, the battery is conveniently situated under the rear passenger seat. To access it, simply lift the rear seat cushion upwards. Once the compartment is visible, you will see the battery. Begin by using your 10 mm wrench to loosen and remove the negative battery cable first. After disconnecting the negative terminal, proceed to loosen and remove the positive battery cable. Once both cables are detached, you'll need to remove any hold-down clamps or straps that secure the battery in its tray. With the battery now free, carefully lift the old battery out. Be mindful of its weight, as car batteries can be quite heavy. To install your new battery, carefully place it into the tray and secure it firmly with the hold-down clamp. Next, connect the positive battery cable first, ensuring it's tight. Then, attach the negative cable, also making sure it's secure. Double-check all connections before starting your vehicle. For more great tips and resources, including a book that can truly change how you think about money, check the description below for links and other deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.